Lampakan mo natin si
Kevin.
Balik tayo!
Moises, ano? Stop huli kay Jay. Jay.
Next, dalawa na lang. O yan, si Marky pala mga natin.
Arky!
Matthew 22:37. Love yourself. I love your God.
Love the Lord.
The Lord. Your God.
Balik tayo!
On
Dalawa
your
lang isa.
heart, on your mind, on your soul. And the second, ay, the first, this is the first and the greatest commandment. And the second is love your neighbor.
Last. Yes! Subukan mo lang! Subukan mo lang!
Ayun.
Napakadali! Subukan mo lang, halika na. Subukan ka namin.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me then.
Sige na. Palapakan natin si Jebes kasi tatayo na si Jebes.
Yeah, tatayo na yan.
Anong verse na sa kanya?
10 words lang yan. Okay, go. Proverbs.
Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6. Trust
In the Lord.
in the Lord. Heart, seek Him.
Lean not. And lean not. Lean not. Yellow. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Seek His will
Let's go!
in all you do. Okay.
Oh, Schumacher!
Okay. Okay, pila. Pila.
Andrew!
Alam niyo yung pila nyo na.